Hey guys, it's Lex. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about some of our newness from our mermaid collection, along with a gold-inspired mermaidy look. So if you would like to learn how to get this look and learn about some of our awesome new mermaid limited edition products, keep on watching. I thought I'd take a quick second and just talk about our mermaid brush set and what each brush is specifically used for, just so that you guys have like a little bit of a rundown and can understand that this is literally like your whole face and all of these brushes, which is really awesome. The big fluffy brush right here is perfect for setting powder and all over bronze situation. I personally like to use it like on my chest area to brush a little bit of shimmer on me. I also use it obviously to set my makeup, and I tend to go a little bit more of like a denser brush for my bronzer just because I kind of like to contour with bronzer too. And this guy, because it is densely packed, is really nice for applying a blush as well. This pretty lady right here is our stippling highlighter brush. So as you guys can see, the bristles on this are two different colors, which means that it's dual fiber. So it's gonna be perfect for picking up any illuminator or highlighter and placing it directly in the areas in which you want to. They're vegan and they're cruelty-free, which you can't beat that. And then there's two eye brushes, which is literally all you need. I love these brushes specifically because you can use them for multiple reasons. This one right here is perfect for laying pigment all over the lid and also blending it up into the crease area. And then this one right here is a pencil brush. And this one's really nice for applying shadow on the lower lash line, smoking out liner on the upper lash line, and it's also perfect for the inner corner. So there's that. For my eye look, I'm feeling more of like a bronzy vibe today, so I'm going to be doing something along those lines. And the really nice thing about this palette is that you have so many looks that you can create with it. I can automatically see just by looking at it the bronzy shades that are in here, so I'm probably going to be focusing more along the lines of Shell Yeah, Mimosa, Nude Beach, and Cavern. Cavern is like a deep brown metallic shade, which is really nice, so it's going to be perfect for that upper smoked out liner look that you guys already know that I love to do. So let's dive into it. I'm going to start by placing the shade Shell Yeah all over my lid and up into my crease and also along the lower lash line. Now I'm going in with that awesome precise pencil brush, and I'm going to take the shade Shell Yeah again and just buff it along my lower lash line. Now I'm tapping into the shade Mimosa, this really nice champagne color, and I'm actually going to use my finger just to place it right on the center of my lid. I really want to accentuate this really bronzy look, so that's how I'm going to do it. Also going to take a little bit of Mimosa with my pencil brush again and place that on the center of my lower lash line. For that pop-in inner corner highlight, I'm going in with Nude Beach, and I'm placing that on the inner corner of my eye with our pencil brush. In between shades, I kind of like to rub the brush on my hand just so that I have a nice clean brush whenever I go in with my next shade, so that there's no colors getting mixed around. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'm using our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara in this gorgeous mermaid limited edition packaging. Not gonna lie guys, this is for sure my favorite version of the Lights Camera Lashes we've come out with, just because, you know, I'm obsessed with mermaids and this is just, it just screams mermaid to me, guys. Plus it's my favorite mascara, so it's like a win-win situation. The last and final step to complete my eye look is tapping into the shade Cavern right here, which is like this deep brown metallic shade, and I'm using my pencil brush yet again, this trusty pencil brush, it never fails me, and I'm going to be placing that color right along the upper lash line, just on the outer corner, just kind of creating like a smoked out liner look situation. To complete my look, I'm going in with our Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade Exposed. As you guys can see, the cap on this is quite shell-like and mermaidy, so I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So here's the final look using some of our newness from our mermaid collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I loved creating it for you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye, tartlets.